first off, as you guys may know, or not know, I'm getting married. Yes. And so we're almost to that point where we're about to meet each other at the altar. September 29th, 2023. Yes. Okay. And so this whole time I've been wanting to create my own welcome sign. And so that's what I'm going to do. Then there's the acrylic sign over there. But today I bought me a Cricut. I know, big purchase, right? And so I'm gonna use that to make my sign, and hopefully it'll turn out right. Okay, so back to the Target haul. I had a gift card. Like two people gave me gift cards to Target for my bridal shower, and so me and my man, we went to Target to pick up some stuff. Can you believe it's literally like 5 or 6 pieces for $75? And I only got to that point because today they were having a $10 off $60 purchase sale. So anyway, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay. So I got these shorts. So cute. Shorts. Hopefully I won't be this size by September, but if I am, like whatever. I'm still gonna be cute. Size large, and they were $12. I think they were just so comfy and cute. I think I might wear these with like a bikini top when we go to the beach, or just to lounge around the hotel or resort that we'll be staying at. Take that one for the last. So I had this bra, sports bra on sale. So cute. Razorette. And it was on sale for $9.49. Too cute and large. Okay. Me and my man wanted to see me in these shorts. Okay. And I love me some Wild Fable. I just think Wild Fable is just, they just have some really nice pieces. But I got this in a extra large, actually. Extra large, and it was $14. Okay, so I got this fashion belt, which I thought was really cute. It's time for me a new belt. I need to get my fashion up. A light gold belt and a large for $18. Okay, and if you are not um, over the age of 18, click off this video because it's about to get slightly kinky and I don't want to promote none of this. Okay. So I have this cute bra see-through for my honeymoon. Just thought that is so cute. Look at it. I'm starting to love like the padless bras because it's just more comfortable. So okay, and this was from Auden. Let's see. Where the price tag at? Oh, $17. Cute, right? And then last but certainly not least, baby, I don't know which way this even go. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, so got a thong, just string. It's just string. I thought it was just so cute. There we go. This is the front, of course, and this is the back for $7. Right. Okay. So let me get to the price. The subtotal ended up being $77.49, minus the $10, minus $64 from Target Circle earnings. Like, if you gonna continuously go to Target like every week or every other day or whatever y'all do out there, make sure you get the Target app and continue to scan for these cents off. And I feel like the cents matter, especially if you're not using the cents every time you shop. And then the tax was 9%, and so it ended up being $72.87. So I ended up saving $10.64 on this trip. Fun. Alright. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you on the next one. Bye.